Many of the decorative pieces here at Casa San Ysidro appear to be made out of silver, but just as all that glitters isn't gold, all that shines isn't silver. The pieces you'll see today are made from tin, and they're a testament to the ingenuity, creativity, and resourcefulness of the people that lived in this area. I'm learning that here at Casa, sometimes you have to look up or you'll miss parts of our collection, like this tin chandelier. This particular piece was made in the 1890s, and it was salvaged from an abandoned dance hall near Taos, New Mexico, where, it is said, Billy the Kid used to cut a rug every now and then. Tin came to New Mexico in quantity with American soldiers in the late 19th century, when New Mexico became a U.S. territory after the Mexican-American War. U.S. soldiers came to garrison and defend this region. They brought their food with them, and much of it was in tin cans. The soldiers would throw the empty cans away and move on, but local people saw an opportunity. They took used tin cans and recycled them into useful home decor, like this chandelier, and art, which we'll see in just a minute. The links of the chain are made from juice cans, and the bottom was part of a large coffee can. I like this piece because it has so much to tell us about the resourcefulness and ingenuity of the people who lived in this area. They were recycling cans over 100 years ago and making them into new items they would use every day, or night in this case. I also like to imagine what this piece would have looked like reflecting the light from candles burning brightly on it. Follow me to our next piece. I wanted to talk about this piece because it allows me to share two things with you at the same time. First is the beautiful punched tin work and bright red and green colors on the frame. This is the work of Higinio Gonzales, one of the best-known tinsmiths of the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the golden age of tin work here in New Mexico. He was known for use of bright red and green paint, floral motifs, and symbols from playing cards in his work. He used a nail or other sharp implement to dent the tin and produce these designs. In addition to being an artist, he was also a poet and a composer. I promised you a 2-for-1 deal. Next, we're going to talk about the painting inside of the frame. This is San Ysidro la Labrador, or San Ysidro the Farmer. He's the namesake of Casa San Ysidro, the patron saint of farmers, and the patron saint of the village of Corrales, which we're in right now. Farming was and still is very important to this community, as well as the entirety of the Rio Grande Valley.